big one. Ah, look out. I'm gonna drop it. Oh, there it went. Okay, here's the fitting, and here's the bushing. I don't really think these are supposed to screw together. I'm guessing it's bottoming out before it even really gets enough threads to tighten up. So I think what I'm gonna do, I don't know what I'm gonna do, let's see. Totally concentric. I guess you can see it when you look at it, it's completely off center. I wonder why it wouldn't spin right. Can you see those metal shavings in there? It's actually part of the thread. The bushings are that crappy. I got another one here. It's opened up more. I think this one will work. Is it gonna leak? Ah! No one likes a drip. Definitely not to sleep with. Oh my God. This is like real much not cool to do. No GoPro, but you can see it grabs stuff. I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna grab her. Much bigger grabber. Skid loader can't even pick it up. See? That's over 2,000 pounds. Look at that, just curling the brush together. Oh, good brush. What a good grabber. I mean, it still works pretty good. This is what I was hoping for. Not picking it up by hand. Look at it. It's doing grabby stuff. She's a little handsy, if you know what I mean. So this could be a pitfall of my design here. That's not real cool, having a spear coming towards you. Yeah, a lot easier than I was expecting to grab onto things. Well, there's the first thing I had to fix. I don't know if you can notice it, but I had to add pieces in there. I had meant to do it, I forgot about it, and a tree came flying on through there. Touch up! What's the touching up? Okay, I've used it enough now where I found already a bunch of things I like and dislike. And I've told myself I was going to do better about telling people, you know, if they're going to do this, what to do differently. So first thing I like how long the tines are. I have a great view from inside the skid loader towards the front of the tines. What I do not like is that I didn't put this tine, I wished I would have put it a little bit farther ahead so I could have really grabbed things with the tip of the tine. I could always cut it off here, so I'm not too upset about it, but if I were to change it, I would definitely change that. I also added, as you can see, I don't know if I talked about this, but I put another tine in here, or, I don't know, thing to stop things from going through. You know, the thing. There are some differences between this bucket and this one. The top piece here, you can see, is a little bit different. I added some gussets to this one that aren't on this one. And the other thing I was going to talk about are the hoses. This has, oh, there we go, 1/2-inch couplers, just like the other one, but it has 3/8 hoses that go down to the T here, and then it's 1/4-inch lines. That's the way to do it. That works out way better. It goes much faster than these. This is just 1/4-inch lines the whole way. it works. It's not that big of a difference, but I mean, again, if I was to do it, that's what I would do again. I don't know if I talked about this, but this area needs to get filled in, meaning this area right here. Doing it all over again, I wouldn't have wasted any of my time trying to make the receiver. I would have just bought a quick attach and probably would have did the same 2x6s, maybe even a third one, and then I would just slapped it on there and gave her the well-to-roo, because then I would have known it was all, you know, square and correct and fit good. Yeah, I know exactly what these buckets are worth. I took this one to an auction, and you know, I had a lot of input from other people after I got done with it. I got a father-in-law that's a farmer and a buddy that's a welder, and they both told me that this thing is too wimpy, that these aren't very heavy duty. And, you know, they're probably right. It's not real heavy duty. The cold rolled steel should help out a lot. I think it's got a yield strength of like 90,000 PSI or something, compared to like, you know, regular sheet steel that you laser cut, A36, I think is what it is. That's like around 40,000. So it's roughly twice as strong, right? Yeah, the market told me that this thing was worth $1,300. This is the one I tried to sell. I probably would have let it sell for $1,300. I ended up getting it bought back because I was talking to some friends there, and basically they asked me how much it was worth and how much I wanted to get, and I told them I thought it was $1,500 bucket, and they said, "Oh, okay." And then I basically gave them my number and left, because I had to take a you know, a number two. So anyways, I'm in the bathroom taking the Browns to the Super Bowl, and I find out that sure enough they bought the bucket back, and their bid was $1,400. So we'll give her another shot. I thought that $1,400 wasn't very much, but I've been watching some other auctions, and ones that are professionally made, they go for about that same price around here too. So I'm not real heartbroken. I think that it turned out to be a success. And if you're thinking about doing it, don't just buy one. But if you're dead set and have a bunch of scrap metal, hope that helps you. Thanks for watching.